Hey there. I'm gonna take you guys along for a little adventure, and we're heading about 30 minutes south of the house to pick up some parts from a guy that drove from Iowa to visit some family here. So we're gonna drive and pick up these parts. Well, this is what we're gonna be replacing. It's this hood right here. And the reason we're replacing it is because it's a little busted up. Held together with some duct tape. It's lived a good life. And yeah. So we've got the new hood sitting on top of the other 430. As you see, it looks marvelous. There's a lot more, or there's a little bit of stuff on it, but we'll get to it. We'll get it there. I want to give a big shout out to Andrew. Without you, this wouldn't be possible. Thanks again. I appreciate you. Well, I just wanted to throw it out there. Say, hit the subscribe button. Got you. Hit the subscribe button and pound that like. Oh, what you didn't see was I swapped over these, which are your hood latch, and they're held on just like so. Did the other one there. There's 2 bolts on that or 2 nuts on that hanger, 2 nuts on that hanger, 2 here, and 2 here. So you have a total of 8 attachment points, and then your hood latches each have 1. And the finished product looks like that. Looks a lot cleaner than what it did. Looks a lot better. So if you guys need to know more information about the hood, make sure you drop the comment below and I'll be sure to answer it for you. Remember, here's to living out here. Have a great day, guys.